He's gonna run.
We're here now, guys. The giraffe. He ran away a while ago. Here. Let's go to see the giraffe and feed the giraffe. Alright. Andyan ang mga house nila, oh. House nila. Ang lalaki mga house nila, oh. You can see that. Alright. You see and feed the giraffe. The giraffe. Let's go, let's go. Africa. Let's go to Africa. Let's go to Africa. Come on. Africa, Africa. We're in Africa, guys. We're in Africa. Maroc. There's a map. Map for the Africa. Europe. There's Europe. Alright. Andito tayo sa terrace ng Africa. Terrace ng Africa. We're gonna see the giraffe again. Kasi nandito sila nagtatago. Ang toys nila, gulong. Toys. Gulong. There's another bus over there. There's another bus there. Ayaw, gutom na siya. Ay, busog na sila. Busog na sila. Ayaw kumain.
Been eating since we went on the bus.
And we finished.
You finished?
Yeah.
May paminahan pa nung nalaglag pa. Ito. Here. Kaya papalit yan. Ikaw kumuha. Ay, lumayan na tuloy. Ay, gutom pa si pare. Late pa ng tiyan. Nalagdag ang laki.
Wow, lucky! So big! Ah! Lucky! So big! Muntik ng kamay! Sige! Ayan, ayan, ayan! Eat, 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 eat! So, oh, lala! Ay! Oh boy! Laking dila! Oh! Ay! Come on, come on, come on! Wow! Wow! Come on, come on, come on! Ay! Oh, so big! Oh, la, 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 la.
Here, he's right there, babe. How I get him? What? Me first. Bella.
Ah.
Bella.
Hey, go Aaron. Go next to Aaron in there. You got a big tongue.
Give it like this.
Oh no! Oh boy! Yeah, this is so big. Go, 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 go!
Bravo. You don't want him to eat out of your hand again, eh?
Oh wow! Lettuce gone. Lettuce finished. Lettuce is finished. Oh, laki na ng tiyan, no? Buntis ata. Sabi niya, more. More lettuce, more lettuce. More lettuce. Grabe ang sanga, oh. See, guys. 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 ang sanga. Ang laki ang sanga. Picnic table. And picnic table, guys. Dito tayo makakain sa mga ilalim-lalim. Picnic table. Relaxing place, guys. Relaxing place. Look at this, 'di ba? Tanggal ating mga problema. 'Di ba ganun lang gala-gala pag may time, guys. Huwag tayong laging work. Kailangan natin mag-ano din. Adventure paminsan-minsan, 'di ba? Winter is coming soon, guys. So summer almost done. I feel the weather is keep changing.
Second, and then air quality in Canada.
I don't even see. Where?
So right now we have
Bro.
Saba.
Dadalo niya ate.
Cherries.